Hello, food lovers. Today I have explored FIRESTONE Grill Restaurant, which is located in LuLu Mall, Hyderabad. So, without wasting the time, let me show you the whole restaurant and its ambience and the types of food available here. Let's go. And most important here is the food is unlimited. Yes, the food is unlimited. So, let's go and make our belly fat. So these are the types of food available here. Let me show you individual items. If you are a dessert lover, this is a must place to visit because there are so many dessert items here. Yes, this is Firestone logo and frozen items, and for kids there's a cotton candy available, popcorn available, lot of ice creams, whatnot, everything. First of all, they have served with this mocktail Blue Lagoon, and this is the menu. If you want to go with veg, you can order veg starters, and we have ordered non-veg starters. And actually, I have finished all those starters. That is why I am not showing in video. And let me show you all the dishes individually. This is tomato dhania soup, like that, shorba. Next, this is BC belly bath. And here you can see vegetable, yes, vegetable balls. This is paneer. And you can see Nizam mandi and aloo bean fry. This is actually our Telugu dish, most authentic dish, and palak dal and stuffed brinjal curry. Palak, you know, the spinach. And this is ginger capsicum fried rice and vegetable hakka noodles. For all the foodies like me, this is a big festival for us. This is veg pulao. Actually, first they have arranged the veg items and after that non-veg items. This is chicken biryani, very yummy and our most favorite. And next, prawns in cilantro sauce. Let me open. Ta-da! And this is egg curry, and these are prawns. Wow, very yummy. And this is dum ka murg and mutton curry. Here the mutton curry is very tasty. I have already tried. Next, Mamidikaya Chepala Pulusu. For all the Telugu people, if I say Chepala Pulusu, everybody knows this word. Of course, your mouth waters after seeing this. And this is Kodi Pulao, which means chicken pulao. Kodi means murg, kokrakoko. Kodi Pulao. And the next item, here you can see hot and sour soup. Yeah, of course, this is really hot. So if we go for some other items, yeah, this is the table with all the sauces and everything. Yeah, this is the special. Here you will get golgappe, pani puri, bhel and everything. Everything is unlimited, and these are the spices, pepper, paprika and everything. And these are actually, you all know, when we visit Subway, we will find all these items. Next, these are the salads, one of my favorite salads. You can see here, even the names are clear: cocktail salad, etc, etc. If your mouth waters, I'm not responsible for it. Just have a visit and enjoy all these dishes, and these all are unlimited. And the price I will tell you at the last. first explore the restaurant. If I tell you the price, then you won't get any interest on this. I'm not saying that the price is high, but for this food, the price is very, very, very low. Here you can see this garden green salad and German potato salad, and these are the dessert items. Kiwi pastries, very yummy. These are pineapple pieces, and there are so many dessert items. Let us explore our traditional gulab jamun. Yeah, this is very yummy actually. My mouth is watering. It is some type of halwa. It is like semia payasam. So satay. Here you will find the satay dishes and everything. Satay means these are the marinated dishes. If required, they will grill and give it. Thai basil fish skewers. These are actually marinated. If we want, they will grill and give it. Yeah, there are actually so many dishes here. This is the FIRESTONE logo, and these are the dishes available. These are veg grills actually. This is paneer.
ठीक है भाई,
And-
अभी आप क्या बना रहे हो उधर?
ये सर तवा स्वीट बना रहे हैं सर।
ओके,
गुलाब जामुन, रसगुल्ला, काला जामुन, खाजा, फूल कुल्फी और काला जामुन, ऑल मिक्सिंग है सर।
okay. All these sweets are now cocktail here, and it is being mixed with दूध है ना? Mixed with milk, and after that they are preparing one mix of all the sweets. इसको क्या कहते हैं?
इसको वो बनाने के बाद इसका नाम तवा स्वीट आता है।
तावा?
तवा स्वीट।
Tawa sweet.
जी सर।
So this sweet is called tawa sweet. So let's have it try for us. आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं कितना दूध मिला रहा है इसके अंदर. अरे वाह, सुपर.
Bhai, to be frank, the taste of the tawa sweet is really super. These are the frozen items, which means ice creams. You can check the symbol there, and this is Kiddu, the items for kids. If you are visiting with your family, your kids definitely like this place because there are cotton candies, popcorns, and these are the dishes I took to eat. All the salads at first. You can check here beetroot corn salad, this chole salad, sprout salad, one lettuce, and this German potato salad, and chicken salad. And after this, I took the masala items which I like. This is gutti wankai stuffed brinjal, kodi pulao, murg ki pulao, and vegetable balls. And after that, chicken biryani, and this is murg masala, very tasty. For more mouth-watering videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much for watching your Pramos World.